Hey guys, so today I discovered a new Boba Japanese drink restaurant shop, you can say. Yeah, so I went to go try it out and it was pretty good stuff, so you'll see that.
What would you like to have?
Medium, medium.
Okay, we'll take the medium.
Yeah.
We'll take the cocoa mango.
Coconut.
Slush?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mango coconut slush. Yeah.
And it comes with boba.
It come with the coconut jelly. You can change to any topping if you want.
We'll take boba.
Yeah.
The tapioca.
Sure.
And
That's it.
yeah, that's it.
That's it. So one drink.
Yeah.
Yeah, one drink. It's gonna be $9.19, please.
This is my talent.
It's your salad.
हेलो गाइस, तो हमने ये जापानीज वाला भी ड्रिंक प्लेस फाइंड किया है. लेट्स सी ड्रिंक कैसी होएगी, देखते हैं. अभी ड्रिंक रेडी हो रही है हमारी. वी आर जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर अवर ड्रिंक.
You too. Yeah.
So the place is called Sugar Boo. It's located in Lashin, and I just randomly went on Google Maps and I wrote drink place near, and I just found that quickly. So yeah, you should go check it out. So our plan for today was to go to Old Port once again, but plan failed because we got there on time and everything, but finding parking there was ridiculous. We did not find any parking. My friend drove around for like at least 10-15 minutes. Just, yeah, it was just frustrating. So I was getting annoyed also. So I said, let's just forget this and go somewhere else, before I get more angry. So yeah, then we headed to, where did we go? Oh yeah, so we were going to St. Joseph, the oratory, but the thing is that on the way there we discovered something else, something with like a better, nicer view. So we checked that place out, and you're gonna see that in a couple of minutes. But that place was pretty nice also. Yeah, we caught that place like in the daytime, right before sunset, but I'm pretty sure at nighttime it looks super nice also. But yeah, I'm gonna try to go back there when it's nighttime and see how it's gonna look. Yeah, other than that, this was our day. Just yeah, we had fun just roaming around, and you can see all the nice buildings of Montreal and let the sunlight hitting them and everything. So
Actually, guys, we are fed up. Yeah.
It's our second time in
So second time.
trying to come to Old Port.
पर हम लोगों को पार्किंग नहीं मिलती है टाइम से, क्या करें। कोई बात नहीं, आएंगे, वीडियो तो बनाएंगे ओल्ड पोर्ट के आके।
Yeah, I know. What do you mean? एक बार मैं It's Hogwarts.
It's a strange feeling that I have. It's a weird being that I am.
I'm so funny.
मैप लगा रहा था।
Cozy, cozy. Are you cozy? I'm always feeling cold.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
So we'll take 12 puffs.
Yep. What's the flavors would you like?
Biscotti noisette.
Yep.
And one, what's the strawberry corner? Strawberry. One, like the strawberry one?
Yeah, strawberry.
Yes. Sorry, the Choco Bay.
Choco Bay?
Choco Bay strawberry, yeah.
Alright. Anything else?
No.
It's gonna be $8.95.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
So at the end of the night, we got a little bit of dessert. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Stay tuned for the next vlog. Hope you enjoyed this one and see you at the next one. Take care. Bye.